Hi, I'm Dr. Luigi Gratton with Herbalife Nutrition. Not everyone's nutritional needs are the same. That's why we've introduced Herbalife Nutrition Select, a line of carefully crafted products that is formulated with gluten-free, low glycemic, non-GM, and vegetarian certified ingredients to nourish your body and give you the personalized nutrition you need. Herbalife Nutrition Select is made up of 3 staple products: Formula 1 Select, Protein Drink Mix Select, and Active Fiber Complex Select. Formula 1 Select and Protein Drink Mix Select are both made from an easily digestible, plant-based protein blend of pea, quinoa, and rice, and not made with soy or dairy. Formula 1 Select has 10 grams of high-quality protein to sustain energy and satisfy hunger, along with 21 vitamins and minerals. Protein Drink Mix Select provides 15 grams of high-quality protein and 24 vitamins and minerals. Enjoy them together daily to boost your daily protein intake. And if you're looking to boost your fiber intake and promote regularity, Active Fiber Complex Select supports the growth of friendly intestinal bacteria as an excellent source of 6 grams of fiber. Enjoy each of these products on their own, together, or blended with your favorite fruits and veggies. Herbalife Nutrition Select has you covered with carefully crafted nutrition for your evolving needs. Order Herbalife Nutrition Select today.